y'all, it's coming back with muscle addiction, man. If you're new to the channel, you don't know how to survive, make sure you stop this video right now. Like, comment, and subscribe, man. Say, this is gonna be a real quick video, man. I just wanted to give y'all a little update on the whip. I got my windows tinted yesterday. Got my windows tinted. I can't really tell y'all the percentage because I really don't know. But I had a dude come out to my apartment, and he did it. It didn't even take him an hour. So got that done. As y'all seen, I got the Instagram sticker on there already, but that's gonna be changed though, cause I think I came up with another name for it. So that's gonna be different. So back that camera up a little bit. Tell me what y'all think, YouTube. How's the new look? Does it look good with it, with the tint on there? Let me know, y'all. Let me know. I'm finna redo the stripes too, though, because these is it's not what it is. Like I said, I told y'all about that. It was just a little rush job, just trying to see what it looked like. I think I like it, so I had to finally get some more tires, cause your boy been doing little stuff. I ain't even had this car, I don't think, 4 or 5 months. I don't think. I probably had it 4 or 5 months, but like maybe not even half a year. And I already had to get in the tires. But I got them off Marketplace, $160 for 2 of them in the back. They're $275. Michelin Pilot Sports. So they pretty good. They pretty good. They hook pretty good. I don't think they better than them good years, but they pretty good. But yeah, this is how it look with it tinted. You can't really see in there too good. And it's daytime, so you can only imagine what it'll be like at night. So, but yo, I'm finna get ready and put some side markers in here. That's really why I turned this camera on. I've been had these side markers. I'm finna put these in here. Right here in this box. So I might do a little unboxing real quick. Sit down, let y'all see whatever. But here's the before, what it look like with these stock ones, regular ones in here. For the back, red ones, then the amber ones for the front, right here. So I'm pretty sure y'all already know what kind of style this is, and I'm finna get third brake light too. I seen they got a different kind. I'm trying to see if I want to stick with like the red theme, or kind of like tint everything back here, make it black, kind of murder it out. The exhaust tips so doggone sooted. They look like they're black, but I need to clean them up. Probably get some SOS pads, put them on there. But it's a quick before with the old ones in there. Like I say, with the wrap. And I think right now is the perfect time to put these on here. So I'm gonna pop this trunk and get this unboxed. How y'all doing, by the way, YouTube? Hope y'all good. Hope the new year is treating y'all good and everything. And I just finally, one of my videos just reached 10K views. So I'm excited about that. I'm real happy about that. I appreciate everybody that has watched that video before, and it is now one of my most watched videos. So yeah, y'all give me a second. I'm finna post y'all up. Finna unbox this. I didn't think this was gonna work too good, but open this up. Feel like Christmas, y'all. And I put the link in the description where I got these. They some little cheapos. Ain't no dial dynamics or nothing like that. But show y'all what it's about. What it look like. There we go. Ooh. Oh. Y'all, these are hard. These are hard. I didn't know. Okay. Bet. So check it out, y'all. Look. Show y'all these. I don't know which one's which. I'm guessing these is the fronts. They look like they orange. These are gonna look good. Yeah, I think these are the fronts. Orange. This gotta be the back. The only reason I say that is because they got a red little dot on there. And what do you think? Look at that. So, yeah. That's these right here. Come in this little bitty rinky-dink box. That's how you know they cheap. So, come with some little instructions, stuff like that. So, I know it's probably backwards, but yeah, I can get these put in here. And I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I ain't even gonna make no whole video showing y'all how I'm gonna do this or whatever, but it's a T15 Torx right here. It's right here. And I don't know if you gotta take this one out right here or both of them, but it's just one of those Torx bits you take out and you pull back this fender liner right here. Let me back y'all up. Pull back this fender liner, and then it's a little clip. You pop that out. And then the same for the front. I can actually show y'all this little clip is right there. Well, that's one of the things, but that's a clip right there. So I can actually show y'all this one. So you just come push up on the clip, and it'll pop out. And they say you can just grab it and pull it out, but I tried and I'm not having no luck. I'm kind of scared to pull on it anymore. So I'm gonna actually take that Torx bit, take that out. So y'all right there, take that Torx bit out so I can pull this back and get that out, cause it's not wanting to come out like that. So I ain't gonna force it. So I'm gonna get them took out, whatever, and then turn y'all back on. So yeah, you know what? I am gonna kind of try to walk y'all through this, cause I don't care. I'm just gonna do this. If I gotta fast forward through this, but I got my T15 right here. So I go through here and just loosen this bad boy up. So yeah, that's how you do that. Okay, so it's taking me a lot longer than what it's supposed to be, but you know what they say, when you get the right tools for the job, it makes it easy. So anyway, I got this little bolt down. I'm using this little thing here with this T15 on the end of it, and as you can see, it just can slip out, and that's what it's doing. I gotta try to put it in there, but anyway, I got that bolt out right here. Just take your finger, kind of go out right here, pull it back. Then I said these little tabs in there, just pull them down. So I got that one out, and that popped out. So just get that bottom one. All right, so I got it out, but that's what it's gonna look like when you get it out. Like I say, you can see what you pretty much got to do. Push this one down, it'll pop out. Then you reach in there, the fender liner, and then you push that in. And to take this off, all you do is just turn and pull it out like so. If it comes out like that, So you take these right here, bit of focus, and once you take this bulb out right here, it simply just pulls out. And then you just pop this other one in. Same way it come out. Trying to do this with one hand, but it snap in there just like that. Then just go back in there like that. So I don't like this too much, but it'll work. But I'm gonna do a test fit or a test and make sure that it come on. If they come on, bam. Ooh, okay. All right, bet. So cut these off, get it put back in. So yeah, now that I got that in there, wish I could. I'm gonna get some electrical tape. It's sealed in there, but still kind of sketchy to me. But you just kind of took all that back in there, real nice. Get everything lined back up, and then a snap. I don't think it snapped in there too good. I didn't hear it. So make sure it's seated. No, it's in there. It's a little sketchy. Yeah. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I heard that. Ooh, that look good already, y'all. But yeah, I'm finna get the rest of this tied in. I might chime in and maybe show y'all how to do the front one, but and I really didn't even get to show you how I did that one, but anyway, y'all see. So yeah, I'm gonna get these other ones put in, and I'm gonna chime back in with y'all. All right, YouTube, I'm in. So you can't see nothing before now, but show y'all this side. Big difference. Big difference. You can actually see the color right there. Orange on the front, red on the back. And you go to this side. Black. Black. I like it. I'll probably go whenever I get some more. Ooh. Oh, not my Jordans. I'll probably go and get some white ones next. I like how the white ones look, so I'll probably get the white ones next. Do that. But yeah, the front one was real easy. Like I say, all you had to do is take out that one right there, that top, the T15, pop that one out there at the bottom. Right there. Just pop that one, boom. Then that T15, take that out, pull it back, that fender liner. Like I said, if you're mechanically inclined, you know, but it's other videos out that's actually more in depth, and I can't really get to it right now with one hand, so we in it. Tap back in with y'all once I get them that. Yeah, we done. We done. Y'all can see sun that went down a little bit, so y'all can see a little bit exactly how dark it is. But hit a new look, man. I think this helped a whole lot. I think all I gotta do now is just do these tail lights. Once I already blacked out. Oh yeah. I think that's it, y'all. I think that's it. Let me turn them on so y'all can see. Oh yeah. That's hard. That's hard. Yeah, that's exactly what the doctor ordered right there. I said this is a installation video, I guess you want to say. So maybe here in a couple months or something, I'll do another review, see how they held up, see if the LEDs start going out by the end or something. But they look pretty bright. I like how they look. Way better look of a factory for sure. So I got some old marker lights for sale, probably 10-15 bucks if you want them. Bulbs included. On the back, probably by a black car. Every little old bitty thing be catching your eye. This rag is where it's at too. And detail spray. I might make a video too on how I wash my car, especially trying to maintain a ceramic coat. First time getting my stuff ceramic coated. So I got some fingerprints on this, so I'm trying to get all them off, because when the get it out in the sun you can really see all that. But it's just a little short video or whatever, nothing long, but this is the look, man. Tell me what y'all think. Like I said, I gotta get some more tire litters for the back, like I said, because I got some more tires. So yeah, that's it. See, this is something. I actually had these marker lights before I got this car. I think I had them. So I was been supposed to put these on, like I said, but I just been waiting on the right time, milking out content, I guess. So no further. Like I said, this is just a video of me showing y'all my tent and the marker lights. So that's it, man. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all next time, man. Most Addiction signing out. Yes, sir. Hey, YouTube. I forgot to show y'all what it look like at nighttime, too. There you go. Y'all can see it. Wipe out this camera. A little bit better. Look at that bright. Bright. But you can see him from the back. You see him from back here. I got this unlock on. But you can see him from the back here. So they way brighter. But yeah, that's how they look.